Video tutorial to introduce the drama activities. This video was taken as a tutorial on how to apply discussed drama techniques in a classroom setting. Target audience and context is A2, class size 20 to 30, class length is 50 minutes, and the topic is famous people. Warm-up. Write your name in the air. Students stand in a circle. They write their name in the air with small letters, big letters, with their nose, with their elbow, etc. After that, show them a YouTube video and distribute handouts. Characters. Show students photos of famous people from different fields. They may be living people as well as dead people from the past. Students choose one photo and write what they would know and what they would like to know about him or her and why they chose him or her. Main task. TV show. Roleplay. The group needs to make a TV show. In this show, there is a famous person, the host of the show, and an expert in a particular field, as well as the reporter. The reporter interviews the passers-by who give their opinion about the famous person and the issue at hand. Post-task review. As a class, review the language the students used. Ask students to compare the sentences with the completed fill-in-the-blanks handout to notice the form and to notice their errors. Invite students to correct any errors on the board.